Hello, welcome back. In this video, I would like to show you how you can jailbreak iOS 13.7 using checkran. So for checkran, it is only support for Mac, but for this video, I'm gonna make both. So you can jailbreak your iPhone on iOS 13.7 using Mac and using Windows. Now, as you can see on my iPhone SE, it is currently running on iOS 13.7, and you can check from here, and it is currently running on 13.7. Now on your Mac, you need to download checkran. So if you haven't had checkran, you can go to your browser, and then you can download checkran here, and you can just click on get a beta now, and then you can just download for Mac OS. And after you have already downloaded, you can just drag and drop checkran. And this is checkran that I have already downloaded. I can just drag and drop into application folder. But if you have already had older version of checkran on your Mac, you can just simply click on replace, and it is going to replace. Now you can just search for checkran, and you can just launch checkran on your Mac. So I'm gonna hit on return, then I can just click on open. If it doesn't open for the first time, you need to open one more time, and you're gonna see here. So you can click on option, make sure you allow untrusted version 2, then you can just hit on start and hit on OK. Then you can hit on next, and it will put your phone into recovery mode. Then you can click on start, and you can put your phone into DFU mode. Now my phone is in DFU mode, so now it is jailbreaking, and you can see on my Mac it is booting right now, and you can see my phone here. Now you can see checkran icon. Now it is completely done, so you can just go to your home screen, and you're gonna find checkran here. You can launch checkran, and after that you can just hit on Cydia to install. But for me, because I have already jailbroken before, that's why it's so reinstall Cydia, so I don't need to reinstall it. I'm gonna go back here and go to Cydia. Now at the bottom of my phone here, you're gonna find 13.7. It is completely jailbroken. Now let's go to Windows tutorial on how to jailbreak on iOS 13.7. For Windows, it does require some extra steps, but it isn't very hard. You can follow what I told you. Now in order to jailbreak using checkran on Windows, it does require USB, and for me here, I am using the 8GB USB. Now I can just plug in into my PC. After that, on my PC, I need to run Cydia tool, where you can download and install from the link in my video description. And I can run it as administrator, and I can click on yes. Then you should be able to see this page. Now you can click on flash and jailbreak. And after that, you can click on jailbreak here. And on the top, you're gonna find make checkran USB flash drive. Click on that. Then you can select your USB here. And for me it is 8GB, and I can just finally click on start making. After the process is finished, you're gonna see the word called congratulations, and after that you can just close it. For me, because I have already created before, I don't need to do that. Now I can just simply restart my PC. I'm gonna click on the power button and restart. After your PC goes black, you can hit on escape key to go to BIOS. For me, because I have HP computer, but if you have ASUS or you have different PC, you're gonna use different key, like you can use F2 or delete, depend on the PC that you have. Now I can just press on F9 to go to boot device option. Now I can press on that. Then I'm gonna boot from the uefi file. I can just hit on enter. The reason that I don't boot from the USB straight away, because it doesn't work for me, but I think on yours maybe it does work. So if it does work for you, you can boot from USB, but for me I'm gonna boot from uefi file, and I can just go to here, go to EFI, go to boot. Then I'm gonna go to boot x64, and then checkran should pop up. And one more thing, on your phone while you are connected to your PC, you're gonna see the pop-up here, which ask you to trust. So make sure you hit on trust, and after that on your PC, go to option and make sure you select on allow untrusted version, and then you should be able to go back. And now you can start, hit on OK, hit on next. Your phone will be entering recovery mode. Now you're gonna see the instruction pop up. just like that. Now hit on start. Keep holding the home button, and then it should be able to jailbreak. And you're gonna see DFU mode is successfully, and you can wait for the process to finish, and it is booting. Now you're gonna see it is all done. Now on your phone, you should be able to see check run, and check run is pop up. You can launch it. Then make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. You should be able to install Cydia, but because I have already jailbroken before, that's why it's so reinstall Cydia, and I don't need to do that because I have already installed Cydia. Now let's go back to Cydia here, and you can see I am currently running on 13.7 on my iPhone SE. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.